Welcome back. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onnoghen, has asked magistrates to stop issuing needless remand orders. He made the call at the opening of the All Judges Conference in Abuja.
The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onnoghen, was represented at the conference by another judge of the Supreme Court, Justice BODE RHODES-VIVOUR. In his remarks to the gathering, he noted that the issuance of needless remand orders contributes largely to prison congestion populated by awaiting trial inmates.
Reckless remand orders must not be issued by your court where it appears that the police lack evidence to prosecute a criminal matter or your courts do not possess the requisite jurisdiction to entertain such matter. I had recently also directed that chief magistrates and magistrates should pay frequent visits to police stations within their jurisdiction to inspect the cells and, where appropriate, free detainees who have no prima facie case against them or had been unduly detained without bail.
The leadership of the judiciary is also concerned about the non-implementation of the judicial autonomy laws, especially at the state level.
The funding of the judiciary is crucial as the most important index for assessing its independence. It is clear that the litmus test to determine how free and democratic any nation is will be to take a cursory look at its judiciary to find out if the executive is prepared to obey the principle of separation of powers.
The judiciary can only grow when and if it embarks upon continuous reforms in the discharge of its statutory responsibility to uphold and project the rights of citizens, preserve the rule of law, and ensure adherence to due process.
Going forward, it is important that the lessons learned here are applied to guarantee a fair dispensation of justice.
In other news, over 4,000 students have been admitted to the Nigerian Bar Association. The new weeks were admitted in a ceremony held in Abuja on Tuesday, the 27th of November, after they successfully passed their bar final examinations. Here's the report.
Members of the body of benches leading the way for the commencement of the call to bar ceremony for successful students of the August Bar Part 2 examinations. Having been presented as fit and proper persons and appropriately dressed, the new wigs are officially admitted into the legal profession. And they file out to be recognized individually.
Abdul Majid. Remember the sacrifices your parents and guardians, and in some cases friends, made to help you reach this defining moment. Therefore, strive to justify that those sacrifices were not in vain.
5,846 students participated in the August examinations of the Nigerian Law School across the 6 campuses in the country. 4,779 emerged successful.
161 students were graded first class. 694 were graded second class upper. 1,275 were graded second class lower, while 2,649 were graded pass in the law school. It may interest you also to note that 113 of the first class candidates are all female. Only 48 are male.
This ceremony marks the beginning of the journey for these ones to make their contributions to the growth of the nation's judiciary.